Welcome you all to the Life with IoT YouTube channel. Now I'm going to tell you how to edit the wiki page in a simple manner. Okay, so you know that in a wiki page, suppose if you want to convert this table, okay, so if you want to edit this table, then what you have to do is you have to get the form in this Excel sheet first. Then we will be copying all these datas like this. We will copy and we have to open up an Word document, and from there we will be adding some slashes, right? So vertical lines we will be adding, and then we will keep an enter, then again a vertical line, deletion, again an enter, then you have to add a vertical line. Likewise you have to do it for the entire table. Okay, so this is a format which is already given. So this format, if you want to see, you can go to there in edit source. Okay, click on edit source and come to the bottom, because the bottommost table only I'm going to edit. So here, you can see the table, right? So the internship test table. So in this up to this it is not a problem, and from here one onwards we have to edit. Okay, so for this only we are making this type of arrangements. Okay, so this is our actual requirement. Until this vertical line and the close bracket, we have to edit everything. So all these columns we have to edit. So this is a toughest job. So instead I will tell you a shortcut method. Okay, so what you have to do is you just add one column. Okay, so next to your serial number, you just add one column. Okay, and this could be your new roll number. Okay, so here you type is equal to concatenate. Okay, CONCATENATE, concatenate. Okay, then open a bracket, then put double quotes, then vertical line, again a double quotes. Okay, double quotes, vertical line, double quote, and then comma. Okay, next you click on this one. Okay, then you close the bracket, then give enter. So automatically the vertical line will be added, right? So vertical line will be added with 1, and if you double click on to this corner, you will be getting the vertical line for all the 200 rows. Okay, so actually for 200 rows I'm just adding this wiki method. So now what you have done is just added an vertical line for the one row. Now you copy all this column. Okay, so copy it, and again right click, then go to paste special, then click on values only. Okay, so click on values only, then click OK. Now this concatenation formula will go only that require 1 2 3 with slash line will be available. Okay, now you can hide the A column. So A column is not required, only this is required. Okay, so up to this first line, and at last I have to put one minus line. Okay, so minus, then give enter, then you copy this minus till last. Okay, so keep that cursor at the corner, and if you double click, then it will be copied till last. Okay, next to this I have to ensure whether all the columns are similar to that of my wiki page requirement. Okay, so actually in wiki page, so if I see the wiki page, it will be requesting me in the format of serial number, name of the company. Okay, so first name of the company should come, then batch of student, duration of internship, then date of report submission. So duration of internship, date of report submission is there, but in between I need the batch of students. So insert an column here, batch of students you may give, and for this you can keep a roll number or name, or both you can keep. So if you want to keep both, in the sense you just click equal to, then again concatenate. Okay, so CONCATENATE, if you type, then it will come, then click on to this roll number 1, then put a comma, then double quotes, space, double quotes. This will leave a space between the roll number and the name, and then click on to this name. Okay, so that it will be appearing like this, then close the bracket, then click on equal to. So now roll number 1, then corresponding name will come together. Now if at the corner if you double click, then it will be copied for all the entire 200 rows. Now you again copy and again a paste, then click on to this drop down, make it as a values only, so that the formula will go only the roll number and name will be there. Now this roll number and student name column is not required, you just hide it. Okay, now this is the only required things. Okay, so name of the company, batch of students, duration of internship, then date of report submission. Okay, and in addition we have the serial number, and then this minus sign. This minus sign represents the next row. Okay, so whenever in the table format the minus sign represents the next row, so that's why we are adding this minus sign also. Okay, now what you have to do is you just copy this entire table. Okay, just copy it and go to your Word document. Okay, and go to your new page, then paste it. Okay, so while pasting, please make sure that you are going to paste only the text only. Okay, so you have to select the radial button as keep text only. Okay, then you go to the first line. Okay, so copy this space. Okay, there is a space between each and every line, so you copy this, then you go to this editing replacement. Okay, or otherwise you can click Control H for the shortcut. Okay, then in the find what column you have to paste that space. Okay, so if you select, you can see there is a space similar to that of this one, and in the replace with column, what you have to do is you just click on to this more. Okay, first you click on to this replace with table, and then you click on this more button. Okay, then you have to select the special and then manual line break. So there is an, I'm sorry again, so this is what I told. So you have to click onto the right bar, so clear replace with, then you have to select special manual line break. So the manual line break will come here, so there is a space in the find what. Okay, so in addition we have to put one more vertical line. Okay, so one more vertical line. Now you have to click on to the replace all. Okay, so replace all, if you click, all the 1000 rows will be replaced. Okay, then you may see the format. Okay, so one, the required format it will be made. Now what you have to do is just copy this from the 1 to till the 200th column. Okay, you copy it everything except the last line. Okay, so this is not required. Then you go to wiki page, click on edit source, and go to the table in which you want to paste. Okay, so I'm just adding it in the last table. So this is the dummy table I have added, but you can add it for anything. Okay, so you begin from here. Okay, the 1 onwards. Okay, so from here till the end. Okay, till the end by leaving this one slash minus, because it is already available here, you can leave it here. Just paste whatever you copied. Okay, then just go on, click save changes. Now if you go to the bottom, you could see the table is arranged in a well manner. Okay, so internship test table I have added newly just for you. So name of the company, batch of students, duration, and date and report format for our entire 200 rows, it will be added neatly. Thank you so much.